Hey,
Wow.
I don't know how to introduce it. It's not my normal style. Am I sweating a lot? Hello everyone, welcome back to Golden Funnel Spin. Yes, I said Golden Funnel Spin. My channel's not about this, what you see in the title normally. No, definitely not. But today we're going to be making beard oil. I said that I was going to do it a while ago. I'm like 2 weeks late. So I'm going to get right into this. I have a beard. You have beard. The reason I'm doing this is simply because there's so much beard products on the market right now and they cost a lot. Now, you could be in a beard club, they send it to you once a month. That costs quite a bit by the time you pay shipping and stuff. So I was going through a lot of products and I said, enough is enough. I got to find out what's inside of these and make my own. And I've been making my own for about 2 years now and I'm pretty happy with it. So I know there's a lot of other channels out there that will show you how to make their beard stuff. That's fine. This is how I make mine. And everything I'm going to show you today, you can buy on Amazon. And I'll put links down below with the exception of the different scents here that you can pick. You can go and pick those out yourself. And I'm going to show you what I use. So this is going to save you quite a bit of money if you go through a lot of beard oil. I do. I put it in my hair as well. I don't put any product in my hair that you buy over the counter. I strictly use this stuff. And there's really 3 ingredients. Okay? This here is argan oil. And you got jojoba oil. And then you got coconut oil. Now this stuff is all unscented, unrefined, and cold pressed. So those are the things that you really want. I made mistakes before and I bought just looking for argan oil and it was scented. And same thing with these other ones, they were all scented. And then when I put my own scent in it, it was horrible. So you have to make sure that you're getting unscented stuff and you want them to be unrefined and cold press. Cold press is very important. Also, you want to buy yourself, this here is a box that I got of these amber bottles. You want to protect them from the sun. Okay, so this one here, these ones here are 1 ounce, this is 2 ounce, and these are 4 ounce. Now, these 4 ounce did not come in this, but these come with, actually I got some in here. I went through quite a bit of them, but they come in, they're wrapped. And what you want to do when you get them, you also want to boil them, you want to sanitize them before you start putting anything in, because you don't know who handled them before. It's at a plant and then all they're doing is boxing it and sending it to you. This stuff is going on your face, so you want to sanitize it. Over here are different scents that you can buy. It's your preference. The only thing I warn with doing different scents, like this one here, someone made, be eerie of how much you're going to put in. You think about the people that are around you, okay? You don't want to put a whole lot into this. The one I'm going to be using today is fir needle. I'm going to use gloves just because I don't like people seeing my hands. I normally don't do, I'm not a hand model, so I'm putting some gloves on. This is really easy to do. It's really easy and it'll last you a long time. I'm only going to do a 1 ounce, and because these 2 here I still have quite a bit. It's the same batch, so I'm just going to set those over there. So I'm only going to do a 1 ounce and show you what's going on. Now these were all sterilized. When I'm dealing with 1 ounces, I don't normally use this, but they came with these little probes, dipper, eyedropper kind of thing. I don't get enough out of it. But these ones here I do use because they're quite big and I get quite a bit. Okay, so to make this 1 ounce, we are going to first do argan oil. We're going to do 15 mils, which is half an ounce. And I use these here. You want it small enough to be able to fit in and suck it up. This one only goes to 3 mils. So we're going to speed this up, and because I'm going to have to do this 5 times. Alright, so that was 15 mils of argan oil. Now we got the jojoba oil, and we're just doing a 1/4 ounce. So I'm going with 6 mils to change it up a little bit. The reason I'm going with 6 mils is if I put this completely to 1 mil, sorry, then I will not have room to put this back in. You need to leave a little bit of room. So we're going to go 6 mils, so it's just 2 of these. There we go. And then we're going to go with our coconut oil. For some reason this one came with one of these pop things. This is a brand new one, but I still have some left of this. And I'm going to put 6 mils of this as well. So it's just another 2 of these. So that's 1. Alright, that one was really hard to get out. So once you get down quite a bit there, it's hard to use this. There. Obviously it's easier if you have some kind of container so you can transfer it in and measure it out. But because I do small batches for myself, this is how I do it. You don't need to have a lot of this on hand. There. So that's all the oil that needs to be put in it. Now I'm just going to shake this up some. Now right now this does not smell whatsoever. You have nothing in it whatsoever. You can use it now if you want it unscented. Yeah, there's absolutely nothing in there. We'll clean up those bottles afterwards. So for 1 ounce, well this is a little bit less than an ounce. I generally put about 3 to 4 drops. But I'm going to smell it and I'm going to know how much. And when you put it on your face, you're going to know how much as well. So because this is a little bit less than 2 ounces, because I kept 2 milliliters out of it, I'm just going to do 2. That was 2 drops. And I'm going to shake it up and give it a smell. I think I might need another one, to tell you the truth. No, that's perfect. So 2 drops. This stuff is very, very strong. Very, very strong. You don't need a whole lot. Alright, so that is how I make my beard oil. Now, I've seen so many people, they make beard oil and then they don't even try it on, so I'm going to show you that this doesn't bother me. And you can put this in your hair. Like I said, when they're that small, I do not use the beater. Okay. Now, if you have sensitive skin, okay, make sure you try out a little bit of it first. Do not just shove this stuff back in. So you're going to work it in nice and good. Now, yes, it's on my cheeks, but I have a brush here. Normally I do this in front of a mirror. Get it in here too. Now because it's on my cheeks, I will just, if I have anything there, I don't think I have, I will just pull down like this to bring it off of my cheeks. And like I said, normally I'm in the washroom. And then whatever's left on your hands, you can put it in your hair. There you go. So it's not just cosmetic stuff, you girls out there do this. This is how you make beard oil. That's how I make beard oil. So you can experiment with the different scents. Just be very cautious of how much you put on, because you don't want to stink up the place. You don't want to stink up your face. You don't want to stink up people that are around you. So I hope this is useful and helpful to some of you guys. As I promised, how I make beard oil. Thank you for watching Golden Funnel Spin. Let me know in the comments what you think of this. Is this how you make your beard oil? Put some recipes down below. I don't expect any subscribers in the beard world on this, but at least give me some comments down below and give me a thumbs up if this video was any use to you. Thank you for watching Golden Funnel Spin. Until next time, keep spinning and putting that beard oil on.